Welcome back to Jack Peak Sales. Today I'm going to show you how to take your chain off and put a chain back on as if you're either sharpening or replacing your chain. So what you want to do, take your 3/4 socket, take your bar nuts loose. On this particular model, your bar nuts are going to stay with your sprocket cover. Most saws nowadays have it where they are made onto it where you won't lose them. Some of them still have the older style where the nuts come separate. Just be aware of the two. Just set that off to the side. Next, what you want to do, just take your bar, slide it off, take your chain, and just very carefully just slide it off your bar and off the chain sprocket. And get you a new one or sharpen. When put it back on, what you want to do is you want to line your bar up on your bar studs and go ahead and put it in your chain slide adjuster just to hold it there. When you go to put your chain on, you want to be very careful that your point right here is pointing to the tip of the bar. Or you can do where the blunt side, the square side, is facing back to the saw. Put it on your sprocket first that's on your clutch. Make sure that your guides are all in the bar. And what you may have to do is loosen the bar up a little bit to put the chain around the nose, and then line it all back up. Sort of pull it tight and put it back on that chain adjuster. Like I said before, just be careful because the chains are sharp and will cut you. So it'd be better if you could wear gloves. All right, once you get it all lined up, take your side cover back. You want to snug up your nuts. You don't want to kill them and get them tight. You just want to snug them up. All right, once you got them snug, go ahead, just pull up on the bar a little bit and tighten your back one first. What that does is that allows the bar to pivot on the front one to where you can tighten it up and just snug it up for now a little bit more. Don't want to kill it. Then take you a punch or just something round, stick on the chain just to make sure that it spins freely and that nothing's binding. If it spins freely and nothing's binding, then finish tightening up your bar nuts. And give it one last check to make sure that everything still spins freely and you're ready to go.